Dead spots are places around your home where the wireless router signal is weak or non-existent. They can be a nuisance, since they prevent you from getting good coverage in certain areas. So what can we do about this? In this video, we'll be taking a look at 5 things to boost your Wi-Fi signal at home. So keep watching. One, use external antennas on your existing Wi-Fi router. You can either purchase an antenna extension kit or make your own Wi-Fi antenna booster. 2. Use a wireless repeater. These are devices that receive wireless internet signals from your router, then retransmit those signals. 3. Use power line adapters to extend the range. This device eliminates any need for cables. You can simply plug these into any wall outlets around your house. 4. Place router in a central location. Find a central location close to all rooms. Place your router there to get optimal signals. 5. Place router away from electronic devices. Electronic devices might cause internal network traffic congestion. What are your thoughts on this tutorial? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.